Also, I don't think I ever did a proper introduction. And this is Jeremy. Today, I'm gonna be painting door jambs. Might be a little bit loud, but basically what we are doing today is wiping down all of the walls. They've already been sanded. All the holes are patched with spackle. We have caulked. There might be some left. But anyway, we are prepping for paint, so very exciting. Definitely still have to do the closets. I think we're only gonna do one coat in here because I don't care that much. Yeah, got the first coat of paint on. It's looking good. Still waiting for kitchen cabinets, but the fridge is here, the stove is here. It's become a catch-all for everything. Cutest little window. Oh. To figure that out and fill that in. Okay, the tub is in. Stainless steel tub. Gonna have tile all the way to the ceiling. And yeah, everything is coming along so nicely. Gonna paint the ceiling too, eventually. All the same color. And the bedroom, looking good. Today, I'm gonna be painting door jambs. I hate closets. I don't like painting in them. One of the issues that we are having is we painted the wainscoting because it was that brown wood color. We did 2 coats of primer, like a really bright white primer. And then we put the first coat of our pure white by Sherwin-Williams. All the writing on this, but let's see if it'll focus. There we go. I don't know, it's got the slightest tint to it. It's, I guess I would say, ever so slightly off-white. Like you can tell the difference between the top and the bottom. So the top has 2 coats of this and the bottom just has 2 coats of primer and 1 coat of the pure white. And I feel like the fact that there was 2 coats of primer, it's too bright. Like, it's more of a cool on the bottom. So we're gonna try to do 1 extra coat just in this area to see if that makes a difference, if it'll match what's up top, if that makes sense. Hopefully this will do the trick. All right, so we'll see how that looks. Okay, I am not digging this light at all. It feels extremely cool. I want it to be warmer. I turned up the exposure. Let me turn that down. Okay. Well, I think the fact that we've covered up all of the wainscoting and the yellow paint, now everything is very cool. Not really what I wanted, but I guess it's just gonna have to do. I don't know. Maybe I just need to be in here in the early morning, like when the sun is rising. I don't know, how does that look? Too cool. All right, enough complaining about the color. We have 1 coat on the ceiling, so 1 more to do there. We've got 2 coats of white on the walls. There we go. I did end up putting 1 extra coat of the pure white just below this window. And honestly, I cannot tell the difference. So we're gonna leave it. We're not gonna try to do another coat on the bottom, I don't think. All right, so it is looking really good. I have to do 1 more coat on all of the door jambs, so that's my plan today. And nothing new in the kitchen yet. We still haven't received the cabinets. I am not sure when that will actually come. Turn the light on, but it is coming along. We are making progress despite a lot of things that have happened over the last week. So anyway, here we go. Jeremy is home and we are now going to prep the floor. So that just involves us basically making sure all the staples are pulled out, and we have I guess it's like a staple pusher. And then I'm also gonna help with needle nose pliers. So we are going to make sure that it is ready to start putting in the floor tomorrow. Also, I don't think I ever did a proper introduction about who I am. Hi, I'm Jill Block, and I live on the East Coast. I am an artist and a creator, and I'm new to YouTube, and I love fashion and outfits. So once this renovation is over, you will probably see sprinkles of those things, probably mainly fashion and art, but we'll see.
What are you doing?
And this is Jeremy. He does not like to be on camera, so you'll see clips of him, but he probably won't be talking. Yeah. All right, so what are you doing, Jeremy?
I gotta get this tightened up so that I can scrape the floor.
Okay, why is this not focusing? Focus. Do you want that out? Okay, I will take it out. I feel like you got most of it. I don't hear any squeaking. They will appreciate. I feel like it's good.
Yep.
Smell. Are we? Are they leaving? Well, we said this was gonna be quiet. Ready? Good morning, it is Friday and we have got the second coat of paint on pretty much everything. And I just woke up not too long ago, but I just have not washed my face or anything, so I look like I just woke up. Okay. There we go. All right, that's better. So from this angle, I feel like things have definitely changed for the better. Let me show you the ceilings and yeah, a few more updates. All right, so now that I'm in here and the lighting is good, I think what it is, this is the only direct sunlight that we'll ever get, and it'll be in the morning time, which is fine. But there we go. But I feel like the back bedrooms, because they get more direct sunlight, they look warmer and maybe a little brighter, which makes sense. And I think that's why I like them over. Yesterday I was just feeling like this place is too dark, but the reality is it's just at a different angle, you know, than the sun. So it's gonna look a little cooler, but I think the color we chose is good. And I think maybe if I had gone warmer, I might have regretted it, so. All right, so last night Jeremy put the second coat on pretty much everything. And it looks, in my opinion, so good. Everything is looking so good. So tonight we are gonna hang our new lights. That is a new light. It just needs to be up in the ceiling, and then we're gonna put the cover on it. That light, change out that light to a new light. And then, everything just looks so much brighter and nicer. Change out that light. And then I think tomorrow we are gonna start putting the floor in. So very exciting things. The only thing we have left to do with paint is this ceiling in here. We're gonna wait until the last because it's become our storage area for everything. And so we'll need to paint that. And we're going to put the flooring in. So what you do is you start down the very middle, like all the way down. And then my husband's gonna work to the right and finish off this room, finish off this room, kitchen and dining room. And then from there, we can move everything that's in here over to this side. And half the flooring will be gone. So we're just trying to like use up everything that we can so that we can make progress and make room. So we'll move everything over to here once the floor in here is done. Then paint the ceiling, then put the floor in. That way we don't have to put any tarps down or try to be careful with the paint. And then, yeah, all of this will be done. Then we can put the fridge and the stove where they go. We still have not gotten cabinets yet. Hopefully soon, not sure when. We'll be able to put the toilet back in. It looks so random, just being here in the middle of the floor. But anyway, that's the update. Look how nice. How nice. We are currently on our way to Home Depot, and of course first, or actually after, gotta get some Starbucks. And then we are going to install the floor today. Those are so dark. I know. But you would think it would adjust. Like,
it's picking up too much bright.
So happy with these lights.